In today's video, we're sharing 7 mind-blowing travel hacks and tips that will take your adventures to the next level. Get ready to save big and experience the world like a true travel pro. Stick around till the end for a special bonus hack too. Let's dive in. Did you know that many cities offer tourist passes for unlimited public transportation? These passes not only save you money but also give you the freedom to explore without worrying about individual ticket costs. For example, in cities like Paris, the Paris Visite Pass allows unlimited travel on buses, metros, and trains, and can save you up to 60% compared to buying individual tickets. In London, the Oyster card offers discounted fares and caps your daily spending, ensuring you don't exceed a certain amount. By utilizing these passes, you can save significant amounts on transportation expenses while enjoying seamless travel throughout the city. When planning your international trips, consider booking flights with extended layovers. Instead of dreading layovers, embrace them as opportunities to explore an additional destination on your journey. Airlines like Icelandair and Turkish Airlines offer free stopovers in their hub cities, allowing you to discover new places at no extra cost. For example, when flying with Icelandair, you can add a stopover in Reykjavik while traveling between North America and Europe. This gives you the chance to explore Iceland's stunning landscapes and unique attractions without paying extra airfare. By strategically incorporating stopovers into your itinerary, you can save hundreds or even thousands of dollars on flights and experience more diverse destinations. Did you know that many credit cards offer generous travel rewards? By using these cards for your everyday expenses and paying off the balance in full each month, you can accumulate points and miles that can be redeemed for flights, hotel stays, and even activities. For instance, travel rewards cards like Chase Sapphire Preferred or American Express Platinum offer lucrative sign-up bonuses and allow you to earn points on your spending. By leveraging these rewards, you can save substantial amounts on travel expenses. For example, with 60,000 Chase Ultimate Rewards points, you can book a round-trip flight worth $750 or even more, depending on the destination and airline. Websites like The Points Guy, thepointsguy.com, provide detailed guides and reviews on travel rewards cards, helping you choose the best card for your needs and maximizing your savings. Avoid exorbitant international roaming charges by purchasing a local SIM card upon arrival at your destination. This allows you to access affordable data, calls, and texts, making it easier to navigate, stay connected, and share your adventures with friends and family. For example, in countries like Thailand, you can find prepaid SIM cards from providers like Ash or TrueMove with data packages offering 4G coverage and unlimited messaging apps for as little as $10 per week. By using a local SIM card, you can save up to 70% on communication expenses compared to using your home network abroad. Websites like Prepaid Data SIM Card Wiki, prepaid-data-sim-card.fandom.com provide valuable information on available SIM card options and pricing in different countries, making it easier for you to stay connected while keeping your budget intact. When visiting markets or negotiating prices for tours and services, don't be afraid to haggle. In many countries, bargaining is not only expected but also a part of the local culture. By sharpening your negotiation skills, you can secure significant discounts and save anywhere from 10% to 50% off initial prices. Whether you're exploring the bustling markets of Marrakesh or the floating markets of Bangkok, haggling can be a fun and rewarding experience that helps you stretch your travel budget further. Eating out for every meal can quickly drain your travel budget. Instead, visit local grocery stores or markets and stock up on snacks, fruits, and ready-to-eat meals. This hack not only saves you money but also allows you to experience local flavors and cuisine. For example, in cities like Barcelona, La Beccaria Market offers a wide variety of fresh produce, cured meats, and local specialties that you can enjoy on the go or as a picnic in a nearby park. By opting for grocery store meals, you can cut your food expenses by 30% or more while still savoring delicious local delicacies. Many popular tourist destinations have peak seasons when prices skyrocket and crowds are overwhelming. However, by traveling during the off-season, you can enjoy significant savings on accommodations, flights, and attractions. Plus, you'll have a more authentic and peaceful experience, with shorter lines and a chance to interact more with locals. For example, destinations like Santorini in Greece offer lower prices on accommodations and flights during the shoulder seasons of spring and fall, allowing you to explore this stunning island without breaking the bank. On average, you can save up to 50% or more by choosing to explore during the off-season. Packing efficiently can not only save you time and stress but also help you avoid additional baggage fees. Invest in packing cubes or compression bags. These handy accessories allow you to maximize the space in your suitcase and keep your belongings organized. By compressing your clothes and eliminating excess air, you can fit more items into your bag. Plus, the organized compartments make it easier to find what you need without rummaging through your entire suitcase. For example, start by rolling your clothes tightly to minimize wrinkles and create more space. Then, separate different types of clothing into individual packing cubes. Use smaller cubes for items like underwear, socks, and accessories. Place bulkier items, like sweaters or jackets, in larger cubes. Compression bags are also great for maximizing space. Simply place your clothes inside the bag, seal it, and roll or press out the excess air. This means you can pack more efficiently and avoid additional baggage fees when flying with strict weight limits. We hope these extended travel hacks and tips have opened your eyes to new possibilities for saving money and enhancing your travel experiences. Remember, with a little research and strategic planning, you can make your travel dreams a reality while keeping more money in your pocket. If you found these travel hacks helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more money-saving tips and incredible travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and happy travels.